What up, what up, what up? Buenos dias. Where is the mighty? The mighty is missing in action. The mighty is MIA. The pastor is here to save the day. YouTube, what's cracking? What's up, what's up? Welcome back to another live session. Hope you guys had a good night's rest and are feeling pretty good to go. Yo hablo español, pero poquito. Muy poquito. I know a thing or two. I remember a thing or two from high school Spanish. But that's about it. El Pastor. Okay, it is time to go. GTA 6, brother. Okay, as you're tuning in, be sure to hit that thumbs up and remember to check out our disclaimer. Remember that day trading is risky. Be careful of fake advertisements, stolen content being used for advertisements. If you guys see any fake ads on YouTube or any other platforms, be sure to report it. Other than that, remember copy trading does not work. And remember, my results are not typical. Now logging in. So, KB, what's up, man? I see you. What's up? What's up? I'm only now logging in, so I'm not even sure as to what's moving. I do see AIMD. Let's check out LPSN. There we go. LPSN. I'm gonna check out this one. Pretty good. Looks pretty good. We got PHGE second on the list. So LPSN is up 62%. There's 42 million shares of volume, currently at 140s. Looks good. This looks like it's going to be the main stock of the day here. Coming down, we have PHGE, which is around 60 cents, up 37%. Let me get it on the main screen here. Okay, it started in after hours, pulled back a little bit, but seems to be holding up, I would say, fairly well, all things considered. We kind of have this like base here around like 58 cents. If it keeps holding, maybe we can see a red to green there. That is PHGE. AIMD, which is also around 30% in a gap, 37%, has 23 million shares of volume. And I think I'm going to keep the watch list simple here with just these three stocks. This one is doing a red to green. You know, just 2 days ago, we had a pre-market move and it sold off. And so today it's curled back up a little bit. So I think AIMD will be worth watching along with LPSN to lead the way. COSM moving up right now. Let's see. Not really much yet. So LPSN is the main stock. All right, let's write up the watch list here and we'll be good to go. You know it's going to be a good day when KB is in the building, man. LPSN. KB, I hope you're doing well, by the way. AIMD. And PHGE. So this one day, Twin, if you guys know Twin from the chat, right? Twin sent me a massive KB logo. She's like at an office building, and then there's a massive KB sign. That's like as soon as she walks in, and she's like, I have to send this to RT. I have that picture saved somewhere. If I remember at the end of the stream, I'll pull it up. It's like this massive neon KB sign. Okay, there's the watch list. We can leave the scanner on for another minute or two for anybody coming in a little later. SGBX. SGBX is a continuation. I don't see it on the scans. Let's take a look. Oh, cheaper. This one's a little cheaper. Yeah. SGBX. Looks decent. 127%. Yeah, I'm gonna edit that list and post it again. SGBX. Might be the one today. Might be the one. I'll delete this other message actually. Alert section. Let's delete this. So we've been seeing a good market for the last couple of days. The question remains the same today. Are we going to continue to see hot momentum, uptrending momentum? Because if we do, we can try to be a little bit more aggressive and push ourselves here today. This will be the first day that we're out of trader rehab, assuming that we're seeing a hot market environment. So there's a couple of key things that I got to keep in mind, being that I'm going to look to put out more size if something is good. The biggest thing that I have to remember is that I got to treat the trades the same, right? Even though we're looking to be aggressive, it doesn't mean to be using massive size in the first trade or two. Still want to build a rhythm, still want to get into a good flow, still want to make sure that everything is everything before getting ultra aggressive. So the game plan from yesterday is the same as today. So yesterday's plan is today's plan, which is to come in, stay disciplined, pay attention for the patterns and setups that I know and love, and look to execute. We also fell victim on Monday of being a little too slow to react and a little too slow to get locked in on the stock. So today we have to do a better job, or let's say continuing from yesterday is a bit of a stepping stone to do a good job, to be quick with the analysis. We have to remember to check our charts, zoom out every now and again, make sure that the level 2 and all the price action makes sense. Because if we get too tunnel vision, we're just trading nonsense, right? Other than that, I have to be very careful with switching away from a stock too quickly. Yesterday, I fell victim to thinking it was backside and switching away, only to then come back to see the same stock curling up aggressively. So I think those are my top things to pay attention to today. Again, to be a little quicker to the stock I'm watching, and that's moving up, and then not switching away too early for backside, right? So I'm going to get a couple of trend lines here in the next 3 minutes, and it'll be time for the open. So I think I'll watch, I don't know, it's hard to say which one will go first. I'm leaning towards LPSN, but, I'm not sure. Maybe the penny stock holds up the best. This one here, we're already holding up the VWAP area. And it looks okay. It looks good, right? The volume has been a little lower since about 9 a.m., but we can definitely see that continuation move into the open. So LPSN looks decent. Let me just take a quick look at the daily chart. Guys, don't forget as you're tuning in on YouTube to hit the thumbs up. Potential resistance, we need to get over 156. And if we do, perhaps there might be room to 190 and then 208. 156 is definitely resistance. Guys, hit that thumbs up. Every day we get about 600 plus people, but only 100 likes. We need the people to smash the like button for good old RT. All the supporters watching, smash the like button. And for the 2 haters watching on, you guys can hit the dislike button. That helps us out too. We need any publicity we can get. At this rate, we'll take what we can get, right? So Do what you must with those like and dislike buttons, please. H1 Media, what is the goal today? What's the aim? What are we gunning for? Okay, 2 minutes, and I gotta get 2 more trend lines on the other one. AIMD. So we had 330, which was... By the way, I gotta start up my screen recording. Let's do that right now. I haven't been starting my screen recording every time. I've been missing it most of the times. So I gotta remember here. $10K, $10K. An ambitious goal, but if the momentum is there and us coming out of trader rehab, can be done. It can be done. It's possible. Okay, AIMD quickly. This one is at the 200 EMA pretty much. That is at 320. And then 336 more resistance. I gotta be quick here. 320, 336, and then potential room to $4. Okay, looks good. Over 4, 430s. I mean, there's a lot of topping tails here. 475. I think this will be my last one. All right, let's be disciplined. Let's be patient. Let's trade the setups and the patterns that we know and love. Another beautiful day. I gotta switch to single screen. We've had a good look at the scan. E-trade, minimize. There we go. And I like having the 2 big charts now, man. Feels a little bit more clean, 7 seconds to the open. We got lows at 136. We got a high of 144 right there. AIMD from 3 to 320. Looking to start off with small share size. I am liking AIMD a little bit more so far because it has more range earlier, which could be a good thing. I'm going to switch over to it here. So 3 by 335 for highs. All right, I got to be a little quick here to get locked in. Okay. All right. Still small size. Okay. It's moving well, I'd say. I missed that pullback though. We got a high now of 60. So watching AIMD, AIMD might be the one here early. I was saying I needed to be a little bit quicker to kind of get, you know, a flow. So there's now 67. 73, it's moving up. It looks like it's just going. Not ideal. Not ideal. We got a high now of 80. It would be ideal if I was already in, but I'm not in. It's just going in. Now it's at 390. So it's moved up 40 cents and I haven't gotten a trade. Not great. It's just not really pulling back, is it? I gotta put on these blue light glasses here. Ceiling light cooking my eyes already. This is an aggressive pullback so far. I mean, like, maybe my wording is wrong. It's like pretty tight, is what I'm trying to say. Time. I gotta remember to zoom out as much as I can. So we made a new low there, but only by a couple cents. And it's back up again. I don't know. I would hope that it keeps going. It seems like it's still young. Hopefully it's still early because I don't know. I don't think we've had that many opportunities. I could be wrong here though. I guess depending on just how you're looking to scalp it really. Yeah, it is holding up very well. I'm ready for the next leg though. I think I can do better on the next leg. I just having a hard time trusting these levels. Can we pull away? Can we pull away through 4? That's the key here. If not, it would be a false breakout, essentially. Can we pull away over 390? It sure looks promising. But can we do it? We got some sellers. They're getting bought up. Oh, I sold. Wow. Damn. That looked like it was coming down, man. That is crazy. I had 390 right there. That was a close one. Oh, man. If we could have bounced 1 cent earlier, I would have held. Dude, no way. Okay, we got the next leg. Let's see what it's talking about. Whoa, whoa. It's a pretty big dip there. I'm watching, zooming out a bit. I took a loss there. Gotta be careful. It's quite the pullback here, isn't it? I'm flat on the stock right now, which I don't know if it could have been helped because of how tricky it was going up, like not dipping. Are we failing here? Bro. I hope it's not Christmas tree. Is there anything else moving? The MACD still looks good on this one too. We got to get over 78. Can we get over 78? Man, this one is a tough one. I might have sold my position there too soon. Come on, hold up like you know you can. Come on, you got this. We got over 78 right there, but only for a moment. We're back at 77. I think if we can hold over 78, we can see $4 again. KB, this is it. Can we curl up? I didn't have a big position there because it's been so choppy in a sense, but holding some. There's 97. If we get an early pullback, it could be good. But hopefully it doesn't collapse. If it does dip, it needs to hold up. If we get over 4, then high of day at 420 is possible. Son of a gun. Okay. Damn. Okay, that's fine. I didn't know where it was gonna dip to, but kind of still took attempts there. The time, we got 2 minutes, a minute 15 seconds to recover a little bit on this 5-minute candle. Bro, this stock is driving me mad now. Like, what is it doing? We've already held up support. Why are we still doing this madness here? Now I'm back to red again. It's been a brutal consolidation, I'd say. I mean, I've had positions, but then I'm looking to like add and or scalp aggressively as the breakout looks like it's happening, and then nothing happens. And so I just take losses. It goes here, and then I don't take a position this time. And look at my fills. Atrocious. See, that third time there, I didn't attempt the breakouts because I was losing, and then that's where it goes. Man, I ran out of mental capital trying to get those trades, and then it goes. Son of a gun, man. Oh my God. The stock is why. See, this is not the same as yesterday. It has most of what it needs, and then there's that. Like, there's no reason we should go to 430 and go to 380 in the same candle in that type of scenario. It's just this just doesn't make any sense. Like, there's no reason to make a new high and then go to the support in the same candle within 10 seconds. It's too choppy. So this is where I need to maybe just size down for good and don't even worry about size, because I might get caught and then that's it. So sizing down. Like, at worst case, we should dip to 4 right there. Like, worst case. Like 380 is just too much. Now I'm back to red again. How's the penny stock doing, by the way? SGBX. I gotta calm down. Keep the cool. Keep the cool. I got up to like 400 and then back to red here. And I got more size today, so I gotta, again, be careful sizing back down right now. I didn't participate in that last dip, so I'm in no position here in this trade. It might still go. It looks like it could still go. All right, we'll have to see. So now I need the next leg to hopefully make money. Like I need it to go to like 450 and then be smooth. If not, I'm probably cooked. By the way, I'm gonna try and make a recap today. I'm gonna try my best to make a recap. RSMG. I'm holding baby size here and stopping out of that baby size. Oh my God. And it's back down. Is it gonna hold? No. I lost 1,000 there. Yep, that's what I get to sizing up. That's on me. Bro, the stock is gonna make me go mad. I saw 480. It only got to 450. Well, I did it to myself. Can't be mad. I'm in with small size there, like 405 or whatever. It dips down. I try to buy massive size, and I get cooked. I already knew to stay with small size. Why did I do it? Big Steve, save me. It's so hard to read. I mean, we got to 450 and then now it's back down again. Going mad here. Going insane. Fear is why I lost there too, because I already bought and I sold and then I try to buy back. It's like I'm in at like 19 and I try to buy again. It ticks up to 30 and then it's back at 20. Or I don't even know because my fill, I don't even know because my fills, bro. I got filled at 34 and I'm out at 7. Like, how is that even possible? Nah, nah, nah. I got robbed right there. That's what that looks like. What time is this? 30:56? Bro, that is mad. It feels like the day is ruined. I mean, maybe it is. I'm gonna look to take my talents elsewhere if something else moves. Mother lover. Mistakes. Mistakes. We'll see if something else comes. I mean, I don't know what to say about this one. Will it keep going? Oh, this is Depsy, bro. Depsy, Depsy, Depsy. It's like it came so close to being what we needed, and this turned out to be terrible. And I went and sized up, and I could have been flat on the day. Now I'm down 1K for nothing. Already told myself stick to small size, and then I go sizing up 10 seconds later. That breakout did it to me. Immediately, my hopes went up, and all my discipline went out the window. I jumped in. RMSG. Got caught slipping. RMSG moving up. It might halt up here. Let's get something new on this screen, man. I'm feeling very disappointed, but I gotta clear my mind and keep paying attention here for the next opportunity. My level 2 isn't working well. RMSG. Let's switch over to the new level 2. It's halting up at 38. My level 2 at DAS is showing me 321 halt. It's not working properly. All the bid is showing something else. Okay, there we go. Looks like it's going to get locked in at 356. See, this was probably going to be the stock for the day right here. This one, which is why it's so important to manage risks so that you can be in a position to dominate, not at a deficit. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up if you're watching on YouTube. Or I gotta get over this. I gotta get over this and not allow it to slow me down. Like I'm still. Why am I holding on to this? It already happened. Right now, there's a brand new, fresh-looking stock in front of me. Could I have been flat? Yeah, but guess what? We're not. So it's time to lock in on the next opportunity. Time to lock in. Gotta stay focused. I didn't jump in at 3 because the halt at I saw it like at 314. I saw the stock at 314. The halt is at 21, so I didn't jump in. And it's a false halt and it extends to 58. It chases down the halt level. It's a tough area to just buy. So I think I'm fine missing the trade there. If the halt level was a little wider, I would have been watching for the first pullback or something, but it's all discipline, man. It's all discipline. This is what this is. So when I was mentioning that I was gonna size down, the other thought in my mind was thinking about stopping on the stock and potentially even the day if nothing else was gonna come. So lesson learned. Got to accept it, and then the resumption is coming up here in 2 minutes. So for size, I'll just use 600 shares. 600 shares. As you guys know, I don't look for news, so as long as the volume is there and there's a setup, which I'll be looking at the halt resumption trade. If it opens up higher, can we push some more? Once it pulls back, I'll be watching the pullback. If it opens up lower, I might watch a high of day entry. If it opens up sideways, it depends, and if it goes up or down first. And that'll kind of like relay back into the other two trade ideas. It's up 114% with 6 million shares of volume. Real Messenger Corporation is the name of this one. We got less than a minute. Okay, 35 seconds to go. We're at 356. It's looking like it's going to be a sideways resumption. 356, here we go. About 10 seconds. I'm in. My entry is not that low. I'm gonna sell some. Damn, boy, that was quick. As long as it doesn't go to the depths. If it dips and holds the dip, that's fine. But just don't go to the depths. Uh, hmm. Probably should have held that. 68. Well, at least I made $100. Better than nothing. I didn't hold my initial entry because it was high off the lows, like 20 cents higher than the lows. This one is kind of tricky. $88 is the highs. All right. Okay, cool. Nice, nice. A little hard to trust in this area here. I do like that the halt levels are wide apart on this one, which is a good thing. Oh my god. Okay, I'm done on the day. That's it. That's it. Well, I botched this day, so tomorrow I'll be back. Bro, I can't believe I botched this sweet day, man. And I had more size, I think, there. Did I have the right hotkey? No, I did not. Tomorrow again. Red 1500. So easy to have a flat day today, right? Yo, bro. Ah, man, I do it to myself. I can guarantee a guy like Big Steve did not size up when he noticed he didn't need to size up. And so where's he at the day if he didn't get to capitalize? At worst case, minus 100. Like today, it's so easy to have had a minus $100 day today. Bro, this is unacceptable. It was so easy to manage risk, and yet here I am down 1500. Just wasting money, wasting money. This is too much. for a day where it was obvious what needed to be done. Ah, man. All right, I'm out of here. I'm gonna try and make a recap later today. The pastor is signing out after a disappointing day of trading. Man. Unbelievable, man. See, today should be like minus 100 because there's a little bit of chop. And then tomorrow you come in again with nice momentum. Boom, 2, 3, 4K. Instead, now we got to make back 1500 before we go back to highs again. Like, just unnecessary. Completely unnecessary to lose anything today. I'm out. Like